Homeowners in Murray, Utah, are discovering a smart way to cut down on energy bills, boost comfort, and increase property value: high-performance window installations. These innovative window solutions are designed to improve thermal efficiency, reduce heat loss, and combat the region's fluctuating weather patterns. If you're still living with outdated or drafty windows, you could be missing out on hundreds of dollars in annual savings. Understanding high-performance windows. High-performance windows aren't just stylish upgrades, they're engineered to deliver real functional value. These windows are built with advanced materials and technologies such as low-E, low emissivity glass coatings, double or triple pane glass units, argon or krypton gas fills, warm edge spacers, and insulated frame. Each of these features works to reduce heat transfer, regulate indoor temperatures, and minimize strain on your HVAC system. Lower energy bills year-round. Murray experiences both hot summers and cold, snowy winters. With older windows, this often results in sky-high utility bills from air conditioning and heating. High-performance windows create a more efficient thermal envelope around your home, minimizing the need for artificial climate control. Homeowners who make the switch often report savings of up to 25 to 30% on their energy costs. Over time, those savings can easily offset the initial investment in new windows. Rebates and incentives for energy efficiency. Another way Murray homeowners are saving money is by taking advantage of local and federal energy efficiency programs. Many window replacements that meet Energy Star criteria are eligible for tax credits, utility rebates, or financing incentives. These programs help reduce upfront costs and make energy-efficient upgrades more accessible for households of all sizes. Before installation, it's wise to check with local utilities or city programs in Murray for current rebate opportunities. Increased home value and ROI. In today's competitive housing market, energy-efficient features are a top priority for buyers. Installing high-performance windows can boost your home's value by enhancing curb appeal and showcasing long-term cost-saving benefits. According to industry studies, window replacement projects can recoup up to 70 to 80% of their cost at resale. If you plan to sell your Murray home in the future, energy-efficient upgrades like high-performance windows can make your listing more attractive and help justify a higher asking price. Enhanced indoor comfort and reduced maintenance. Besides saving money, high-performance windows also improve your day-to-day living experience. They block out drafts, eliminate cold spots near windows, and reduce external noise, especially helpful in busy neighborhoods or near traffic zones. Additionally, modern windows require less upkeep. Many come with UV-resistant coatings that protect furnishings from sun damage, and the frames are often made from durable, low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass. You'll spend less time cleaning, repairing, or repainting and more time enjoying your home. Environmental benefits for green-minded homeowners. Choosing high-performance windows isn't just a smart financial move, it's also environmentally responsible. By reducing energy usage, you're helping cut carbon emissions and contributing to a greener future. For many Murray homeowners who value sustainability, this adds significant peace of mind. Is it time to upgrade? If your current windows are Drafty or hard to open single-pane glass, showing signs of condensation or rot. Over 15 to 20 years old. Then it may be time to consider a high-performance replacement. Final thoughts. Murray homeowners are turning to high-performance window installations not only for their sleek aesthetics, but also for long-term cost savings, comfort, and value. With improved energy efficiency, access to rebates, and better resale potential, upgrading your windows is a smart investment that pays dividends year after year. Ready to explore your window options? Contact a trusted local window professional in Murray to schedule a consultation and start your savings journey today.